When it comes to online marketing, your landing page is often your first impression. And we all know how important that is, right? Whether you're promoting a product or just trying to get leads, your landing page can seriously impact your campaign's success. But what makes a landing page good? It's not about fancy words or complicated designs. It's really about getting a few key things right. Today, I'm going to walk you through my top 5 tips to optimize your landing page based on real experience. These tips are simple, clear, and effective. Keep it focused. One goal, one message. This is probably one of the most common mistakes I see. People try to cram too much into one page. Your landing page isn't your whole website. It's designed to guide visitors towards one specific action, like signing up, buying, downloading, or booking a call. Think about it. If your page has too many messages, visitors get confused, and confused visitors don't convert. Your page needs one clear headline, one strong call to action, and just one primary goal. Everything on that page should support that single goal. What can you do? Write a headline that clearly states your offer. Use subheadings to back it up. Remove anything that distracts from your main CTA. Stick to one form, one button, one action. Remember, less clutter equals more clarity, which equals better conversions. Make it load fast. People just won't wait. If your page takes more than a few seconds, they'll likely just leave. A slow page is expensive because you're paying for traffic that never even sees your content. Every second counts here. A slow loading page increases your bounce rate significantly. Plus, search engines like Google consider page speed for rankings, so it hurts your SEO and ad performance. Simple fixes include compressing images before uploading, avoiding unnecessary scripts or heavy animations, using lightweight fonts, and choosing a good hosting provider. Test your page speed with tools like Google Page Speed Insights or GT Metrics. Write like a human. This might sound obvious, but it's overlooked. Too many landing pages sound robotic or overly formal. If someone has to reread a sentence to understand it, that's a red flag. A good copy is clear, direct, and sounds like something a real person would say. You don't need to be a pro copywriter. Just be honest and easy to understand. Use short sentences. Avoid jargons and buzzwords. Talk directly to your reader. Most importantly, focus on benefits, not just features. People care about what's in it for them. Design for mobile first. The chances are high that most of your visitors are coming from their phones. If your page doesn't work well on mobile, you're losing leads without even realizing it. Many people design on a desktop and forget to check on mobile. This leads to broken layouts, tiny text, buttons that are hard to click, or forms that don't load. That's a conversion killer. Make sure buttons are big enough to tap. Use a single column layout for small screens. Keep text size readable. Don't rely on hover effects as they don't work on touch screens. And if you can, test on actual devices. Remember, it's not just about looking good, it's about being usable. Use social proof. People trust other people. When visitors see that others have used and liked your product or service, they're more likely to believe it's worth their time. This means using things like testimonials from happy customers, star ratings, case studies, client logos, or real user numbers. But here's the key: fake or generic testimonials don't help. People can spot them. Use real names and photos if possible. Keep testimonials short and specific. Place them near your call to action or form, and keep them updated if your offer changes. You don't need dozens, just a few strong, authentic ones. Just a quick bonus tip before we wrap up: test, then test again. No matter how good your page is, there's always room to improve. The best way is through testing different versions, often called A B testing. Try testing different headlines, call to action buttons, colors, or text, images, videos, form lengths, or testimonial placement. Even small changes can make a big difference. Don't guess, just test. Keep these tips in mind and keep testing, and you will start seeing better results. Most people don't need a super fancy landing page, they just need one that works. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe for more.